and today we're playing New Pro in Festival. Oh, I'm a noob, I don't know. Okay, I'll come in this one and I'll try to win in this one. I'm gonna play it as a noob, obviously. And then Pro and then no. I don't even know this one. I must pull out. Oh, you know I can't get. No, almost bad. 15, yes. Okay. What did I get? How I got my high score? 16. My high score 17. Okay, 20th. I used to come last. Now I get 16. Okay, now we're doing pro. That guy, I could have beat this guy because he's so trash. He gets 19 1 minute. Noob. Okay, what's the pro? Blah 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 blah. I'm a pro. So let's talk about how we compare. I'm a pro, so I might come first. Oh, this guy's scaring me. Brother, can you please join me a little bit? What did I get? I'm a pro. I got 37 GGs. Okay, I get in 10th place. Oh, yeah. Oh, that guy got 121. Jesus. Okay, now, legend. Like rock hero. I mean, speed. I'm gonna come second place, definitely. At least. Because I know that try hard. Oh. Oh my. Guys, I'm gonna get a bad score. I'm so mad. I got like 99, 92. Oh shoot. 92 is my baddest score. Okay guys, I hope you liked that video. Bye and subscribe. And then I'll tell you my friend's password. Like right now. Oh psych. You thought. But no, I'm not.